Students, everyone open your science chapter 6 safety and first aid for revision. Word meaning. Number 1, occur means to happen. Occur means to happen. Number 2, carelessness means negligently. Negligently. Number 3, recall, remember. Recall means remember. 4, previous means earlier. Previous means earlier. 5, petromax means paraffin lamp. Petromax means paraffin lamp. Number 6, extinguish, cheese to burn. Extinguish means cheese to burn. Number 7, swelling means become swollen. Swelling means become swollen. 8, pricked to make a small hole. Pricked means to make a small hole. And number 9, blister, to swell and crack. Blister means to swell and crack. Number 10, plenty means a lot. Exercise A, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the safest way of crossing the road is the use of all of these: zebra crossing, pedestrian ways and subway. All of these. Number 2, to keep on burning fire needs air. To keep on burning fire needs air. 3, a subway is meant for pedestrians. A subway is meant for pedestrians. Number 4, the fire caused by electricity can be put off by throwing sand. The fire caused by electricity can be put off by throwing sand. Number 5, anti-rabies vaccine should be given in case of a dog bite. Anti-rabies vaccine should be given in case of a dog bite. Number 6, rolling on the ground or wrapping a burning person in a blanket cuts off the air supply. Rolling on the ground and or wrapping a burning person in a blanket cuts off the air supply. Number 7, a fracture is a crack in a bone. A fracture is a crack in bone. Repeat, a fracture is a crack in a bone. Number 8, a fire due to short circuit should be extinguished with the help of sand. 9, a cut due to sharp object like knife or blade can cause tetanus. A cut due to sharp objects like knife or blade can cause tetanus. Number 10, a sling is used to support the injured arm. A sling is used to support the injured arm. Exercise B, give short answers. Question number 1, what is the tight band used to stop bleeding cord? It tourniquet. What is the tight band used to stop bleeding cord? Tourniquet. Number 2, which organ are affected by snake bite? Heart and nervous system. Which organ are affected by snake bite? Heart and nervous system. Question number 3, what is looped around the neck support an injured arm? Sling. Answer is sling. Question number 4, what should be done if the oil in the pan catches fire? Cover the pan and throw some baking soda on burning oil. Repeat, cover the pan and throw some baking soda on burning oil. Question number 5, name 4 things that catch fire easily. Electric gadgets, nylon cloths, kerosene stove and plastic coverings. Repeat, electric gadgets, nylon cloths, kerosene stove and plastic coverings. Exercise C, answer the following questions. Number 1, state T safety rules on the roads. The Three safety rules on the roads are: A. Never play on the road. Never play on the road. B. Read the road sign properly. And C. Before crossing the road, check properly that no vehicle is coming from either direction. Question number 2. What precautions should be taken to avoid accident at home? What precautions should be taken to avoid accident at home? We should observe following rules to prevent accident at home. A. Do not scatter your toys, books or other things on the floor. B. Never play with sharp objects. C. Never play on stairs. D. Keep the bathroom clean and dry. E. Open all doors and windows in case of gas leak. Question number 3. How can a fire caused by electricity be put off? Fire caused by electricity can be put off by throwing sand over it. Water should never be thrown over a fire caused by electricity. Question number 4. What first aid would you provide in the following cases? Number 1. Fracture. In case of fracture, do not move that part of the body. In case a bone in the hand is broken, make a sling using a cloth. Number 2. Sprains. In case of a sprain, an elastic bandage can be wrapped around the joint to prevent it from moving. Some pain relieving ointment can be lightly rubbed. And number 3. Dog bite. In case of a dog bite, wash the wound thoroughly with soap and water and put an antiseptic cream.